One look is enough to tell experienced motorcyclists that this KTM is a great bike for sliding around corners, riding wheelies, doing stoppies, smoothing rough pavement, hitting the random road jump and generally paving over all kinds of life's roughest spots. In those conditions, the 690 SMC defiantly excels. The element of surprise, though, was finding out how comfortable a commuter this single-cylinder supermoto machine can be. For a 5'8" rider with a 30-inch inseam, the SMC's 35-inch seat height is a stretch, but once the KTM is underway, its motocross accommodations allow the pilot to move freely around the cockpit in search of a desirable ergo triangle. The moto elbow bend provided by the high, wide handlebar, the relaxed footpeg position and a relatively cushy seat make it easy for the SMC's rider to get comfortable. Amazingly smooth running thanks to a counterbalancer, the 654cc, 102x80mm, liquid-cooled 4-stroke that motivates the SMC uses roller rockers atop its 4 valves. A 46mm skid throttle body with electronic butterfly assistance helps the big single make 62 exceedingly tractable claimed horsepower. Exhaust gases exit through a cat-equipped stainless steel silencer.